Hi, I'm Milton Zietzman from Z Architects. I'm here at Adina today, and we're here in Burleigh land, just north of the Tullabudgel Creek and just west of the Burleigh headlands. We were approached by Ram from our builders to have a look at the site, and we've historically done projects with our builders, and our initial assessment of the site made us realize that it allows for a certain type of zoning to do these 3-story high dwellings. And we noticed that contextually there aren't a lot of it around us, but if we go through the process of exploring the additional height on the site, we might be able to really exploit some of these beautiful views, and we can get over to Tullabudgel Creek. Our office has a way of designing forms, and within the forms we create these pockets of amenity. And this form that we thought we could try to exploit on this site by making these arms that reach out over the driveway was really to embrace this idea of a concave. And this concave form is a consistent architectural motif that is repeated throughout the design. The form itself and the color treatments of it, it's a very muted palette. And the reason for doing so, it's quite a natural setting with a lot of vegetation that sits around the site, in the site, and on the building, that it becomes the hero instead of the architecture really becoming the form that you're celebrating. It's more where you are and the sort of amenities that it embraces. The very organic artwork that grows in and around and on it. And so to speak, also becomes, as architects, we cannot just but help ourselves sometimes just adding these small little details that we see a lot of delight being generated from, and we hope that people that end up living here can appreciate those same delights. Those are things by virtue of little material choices that we make. We've got some beautiful ribbed stonework that sits on the front of the building, and once the landscaping comes into it, we would create quite a beautiful artwork on the front of it. And we created these beautiful triangular screening pieces, which we could have just blandly attached some screening to the front of the building in areas that requires privacy. But we thought, let's do something that might be considered a little bit whimsical and fun. So we added these little triangular pieces that is custom made that you won't necessarily find on another project. The experience in working with our builders on this project has just been a very pleasurable one. Just this consistent theme of people being incredibly professional with the way that they're delivering their work. It just makes our job so much easier.